Imagine a robot in your workshop, a tireless worker designed for a singular purpose. Picture it meticulously crafted, built to screw in a single type of bolt, day in and day out. Its movements are precise, its actions unwavering. It performs its task over and over, perfectly executing the same motion with unwavering accuracy. Each screw is tightened to the exact specification, a testament to the robot's programmed precision. It's a marvel of automated efficiency, a symbol of the modern factory floor. One day you decide to expand its horizons. You show it how to use a soldering iron, introducing it to a completely new skill, a different kind of task. You gently guide its arm, demonstrating the delicate movements required for soldering. You show it how to apply the heat, how to melt the solder, and how to create a secure connection. And remarkably it learns, mimicking your actions with increasing accuracy. By lunchtime something incredible has happened. It's no longer just a bolt screwer anymore, confined to its original limited function. It's soldering too, skillfully joining components with molten metal. It has expanded its repertoire, demonstrating a capacity for learning and adaptation that was once thought impossible. This isn't science fiction conjured from the depths of imagination. It's happening now, in workshops and factories around the world. Robots are rapidly evolving, transforming from single-task machines, rigidly programmed for one specific job, to dynamic learners, capable of acquiring new skills and adapting to changing demands. They're picking up new skills, absorbing knowledge and refining their abilities, much like we do when we learn a new trade or master a new craft. For decades, robots were celebrated for their speed and precision, but they were fundamentally limited by their lack of intelligence. They were fast, but dumb. This made them perfect for the structured environment of repetitive assembly lines where consistency and efficiency were paramount. But now, we're witnessing a paradigm shift, entering the exciting era of the robot teammate, where collaboration and adaptability are key. These new machines possess the remarkable ability to observe their surroundings, adapt to changing conditions, and expand their abilities beyond their initial programming. They leverage a sophisticated array of sensors, including high-resolution cameras and powerful AI algorithms, to understand their environment with increasing nuance and accuracy. They can analyze data, identify patterns, and try new approaches to solve complex problems. It's a profound leap, transforming robots from simple wind-up toys, pre-programmed to perform a single action, to curious puppies, eager to explore, learn, and adapt. This shift is about far more than just incremental gains in efficiency and productivity. It's about fundamentally changing the way we work, enabling robots to work alongside us in dynamic and unpredictable environments. Think of the possibilities in hospitals, where robots can assist surgeons and care for patients, on bustling construction sites, where they can lift heavy materials and assemble complex structures, and even in our own homes, where they can help with chores and provide companionship. Soon, robots will be less like simple hammers, designed for a single repetitive task, and more like skilled apprentices, eager to learn new skills and contribute to a wide range of tasks. They'll be always ready to learn the next task, adapting to changing needs and expanding their capabilities. We're standing on the edge of a technological revolution, a pivotal moment in the history of automation. It's the rise of the polyfunctional robot, a versatile machine capable of performing a multitude of tasks. These machines aren't just tools to be wielded, they're intelligent partners, collaborating with us in problem-solving and innovation. They don't just blindly follow pre-programmed scripts, they can analyze situations, adapt to challenges, and even innovate, devising creative solutions to complex problems. The future of work isn't about replacing humans with machines. It's about fostering collaboration, building synergistic partnerships between humans and adaptable machines, leveraging the strengths of both. So grab your safety glasses, because things are about to get interesting. Let's dive into the nuts and bolts, the inner workings, and the underlying principles of this exciting new era of robotics. The age of the learning robot has officially begun, and the possibilities are limitless. As technology advances, we're seeing a new breed of robots emerge, capable of far more than their predecessors. But what exactly do we call these new machines that can perform a multitude of tasks? Polyfunctional robots. These aren't your average single-purpose machines. They represent a significant leap forward in robotic capabilities. Think of them as Swiss Army knives, but instead of blades and screwdrivers, they wield a diverse array of tools and functions. One robot, many tools. It's a concept that's revolutionizing industries, offering unprecedented flexibility and efficiency. Instead of a robot for each task, cluttering your workspace and requiring extensive programming, you have a single platform that can weld precisely and consistently, paint with a flawless finish, lift even the heaviest objects with ease, and more. The secret? What makes these robots so adaptable and capable? Smart software and modular hardware. It's a combination that allows for quick changes and seamless integration. The robot's arm is the knife, the core component that provides the foundation for all its actions, the attachments, grippers for handling a variety of materials, welders capable of joining metals with precision, scanners, are the tools. Each attachment expands the robot's capabilities, making it a true multitasker. Its AI brain knows how to use each one, optimizing performance and ensuring accuracy. Traditional robots are rigid, designed for a single, repetitive task. Change the task, and you need to reprogram or replace them, a costly and time-consuming process. Polyfunctional robots adapt quickly, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. Show them a new part, and they learn, analyzing its shape and dimensions to handle it effectively. Sometimes they learn just by watching a human, mimicking their movements and techniques. This is flexible collaboration, not rigid automation. It's about humans and robots working together to achieve common goals. One robot can sort packages, ensuring they reach their destination efficiently, inspect quality, identifying defects and ensuring products meet the highest standards, and clean floors, all in a single day. It's a level of versatility that was once unimaginable. That's why they're spreading beyond giant factories where automation has long been the norm, to small businesses and workshops where flexibility and affordability are paramount. They're practical, versatile, and adaptable to a wide range of environments and ready for jobs we never thought robots could do, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The Swiss Army knife robot, a symbol of adaptability and innovation, is the ultimate multi-tool for the modern age, a testament to human ingenuity and technological progress. It's a single investment that pays off in countless ways, streamlining operations and boosting productivity. The future belongs to adaptable machines, capable of evolving and learning alongside us, and the people who work with them, harnessing their power to create a better world. Welcome to the era of the polyfunctional robot, where possibilities are limitless and innovation knows no bounds. Let's take a look at these incredible polyfunctional robots in action. We're about to witness how they're transforming various industries with their versatility and adaptability. We're starting in the warehouse, a space that's ripe for robotic revolution. Warehouses are vast, often chaotic environments filled with constant activity and movement. And traditionally, they've been incredibly exhausting places for humans to work, demanding long hours and strenuous physical labor. But now, we see fleets of robots zipping around, navigating the complex warehouse landscape with ease. They're lifting entire shelves, transporting goods with impressive strength and precision. And they're bringing those goods directly to the workers, streamlining the fulfillment process. Workers stay put at their designated stations. The robots handle the heavy lifting and those long, tiring walks across the warehouse floor, reducing strain and fatigue. After efficiently moving shelves to optimize storage, the same robot can quickly swap attachments, showcasing its incredible versatility. It then transitions to scanning inventory overnight, ensuring accurate tracking of all goods. By morning, warehouse managers have access to perfect stock counts, eliminating discrepancies and improving efficiency. And all of this happens with no late-night human labor required, allowing for continuous operation. Need clean floors to maintain a safe and organized environment? The robot simply adds a cleaning tool attachment and efficiently scrubs the entire warehouse floor. One platform, capable of performing many different jobs, moving goods, counting inventory, and cleaning floors. It's not about replacing people in the workforce, it's about making their work safer, more efficient, and ultimately, smarter through collaboration. Robots handle the physically demanding grunt work, freeing up human employees, so humans can focus on the intricate details, complex problem-solving, and strategic decision-making. This is the polyfunctional promise in action, a glimpse into the future of work. The future of work is teamwork, a collaborative synergy between humans and machines, human and robot, working side by side, creating a more productive and fulfilling work environment for everyone. Now imagine these robots in hospitals where precision and cleanliness save lives, Nurses and doctors are stretched thin. Robots can help. A robot delivers meds, surgical kits, and lab samples, freeing nurses for patient care. After deliveries, it switches to a UVC disinfection unit, sterilizing rooms thoroughly. Robots can also enable remote consultations or guide visitors. They don't make medical decisions. They handle logistics, cleaning, and support. The result: safer hospitals, less burnout, and more time for human connection. Polyfunctional robots are tireless assistants, not replacements. They take on repetitive, hazardous tasks, so caregivers can focus on healing. The hospital of tomorrow is smarter, safer, and more human, with a little robotic help. Let's talk tough jobs. Dangerous, dirty, and difficult. Infrastructure needs constant inspection and repair, often in risky places. Enter polyfunctional robots. Drones inspect wind turbines, swap tools to check for cracks, and even patch minor damage, all from the ground. Robots crawl through pipes and under bridges, using sensors and cameras to spot problems. If they find an issue, they can clean, weld, or patch it. No human risk. Frequent, thorough inspections mean small problems get fixed before they become disasters. This is predictive maintenance. Robots catch issues early, preventing costly shutdowns. They're our new front line against decay and disaster. Maintenance robots don't complain, don't get tired, and never shy away from danger. They keep our world running quietly, efficiently, and safely. By 2030, up to 80% of workers may interact with smart, polyfunctional robots daily. This isn't just for factories, it's for everyone. Chefs, office workers, retail staff, all will have robotic partners handling routine tasks. These robots are getting cheaper, easier to use, and more capable every year. You won't need a PhD to operate one. Just simple commands or hands-on teaching. The transition will be steady, one robot, then more, each learning new skills. Working with robots will become a basic skill, like using a computer. The key is to get ready, not afraid. The future of work is about humans and robots, side by side. It's the next step in making our jobs and our lives better. The best part? These robots make our jobs better. They take on the heavy lifting, the repetitive chores, and the dangerous tasks. Workers stay healthier, happier, and more engaged. A construction worker uses an exoskeleton. A nurse gets supplies delivered. A picker has shelves brought to them. Robots never get bored. They handle tedious work with perfect focus. Humans become problem solvers, managing and optimizing robot workflows. It's about augmentation, not replacement. Robots give us strength, safety, and superhuman focus. One person can do more with less risk and more creativity. Robots handle the dull, dirty, and dangerous. Humans innovate and connect. Together we build a smarter, more sustainable workforce. The big question: will robots take our jobs? Some repetitive, rule-based jobs will disappear just like past waves of automation. But new jobs will emerge: robot designers, technicians, trainers, and workflow optimizers. The focus shifts from doing to managing and creating. Adaptation and lifelong learning are key. Not everyone needs to be a robotics engineer, just willing to learn new tools. Plumbers might use inspection robots, farmers might manage autonomous tractors. The challenge isn't fighting robots, it's embracing them as powerful tools. The future belongs to the curious and adaptable. Change is coming, but so are new opportunities. So where does this leave us? On the edge of an exciting new frontier. Polyfunctional robots aren't here to take over. They're here to help us build a better world. They're strong, precise, and always ready to learn. The future of work is collaboration, not competition. We need to invest in skills and training so everyone benefits. Imagine fewer injuries, more creative work, and solving big challenges with robotic help. These robots reflect our ingenuity and drive to improve. The future is something we build, together with our robotic partners. Are you ready? Let's get to work and build that future. It's going to be epic.